Hello everyone, welcome back to Joe Microsphere. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can download a Sentinel-1 image, that is the radar image or your synthetic aperture radar image from Copernicus browser. So since Copernicus browser starts or you get data from 2015 to current, you cannot download radar image from let's say 2014 downwards. So if you want any, and if you are doing any analysis and then your study area is between 2015 to 2024, is accurate for you to use it. So let's quickly get into it. So first of all, we need to open our Copernicus browser. So let's go to our browser and then search for our Copernicus browser here. Okay, so here we have our Copernicus browser. Alright, so here we can go anonymously, or we can log in. So the anonymously, you cannot download the image with the anonymously, that one, unless you are just exploring the image. So here let's go to login, and then if you don't have account, if you click on login, it's going to take you to register page. So here, if you don't have account, you can register here, and then here, since I have account and then I have saved my password, you can see my email and then my password here, which I'm going to log in. Okay, so this is the interface of Copernicus browser, and then here you can search for any location of your choice where you want to download the image for. So here let's search location as Nebraska. Alright, okay, so here we have our location as a Nebraska here. So here you can see the map of Nebraska here. Alright, so let's draw a portion from our study area here. So let's go here and then choose our button which we are going to use to draw. Alright, so let's draw this portion here as where we want to download the image, and then let's go to search. So inside our search, you click on Sentinel-1. That's where you are going to download our Sentinel image, and then you can see we have level 1, that's the raw, level 1S LC, and then the GRD. So here let's download the GRD here, and then you come here, the platform here is here. You can see we have the ascending and the descending. So here let's choose the ascending here, and then we have our VV and then our VV and then the VH here. So you can choose these two here and then leave the rest default, and then scroll down here, you will see the date here. So here we can set our date to 2024 January 1st, alright, to 2024 December 31st. Alright, so here we have our 1 year period here, and then here too, if you know the hour or the minute that the image was taken, you can select it here, and then here is the day that we just selected here. And then if you scroll down, you'll see a filter month here. So here, if you want a particular month, you can uncheck the rest and then you leave that month. And then if you are dealing with either in the winter or in the summer, you can check the months, those months that correspond, or that the winter for, and then the other that the summer for. Or if you are dealing with dry season and wet season, the month that the dry season falls and then the month that the wet season for, you can filter them here. And then if you are satisfied with the month, and then you have select your data source, what you need to do next is you need to click on search and then see if there's any image that fall within your study area. Okay, so this is the images that we got from our study area here. So you can see where the images fall. So here you need to explore and then see exactly where your study area is, so that you download the image here. So here, if you want to view the image, there's two ways to view the image. You can view it from the content here, or you can view it from the base map here. So here, if you click any of the map, you see those maps that fall within that study area, and then you can explore them. If you want to explore, you can click on the I button there and then explore. So this is the image, and then this is where it covers, and then here you can see the instrument, that's the SAR platform, Sentinel-1, the sensing time, and then the size, and then the name. Alright, though here too we have download single file. If you want to download a single file, you can download here. You can click on products here, you see the cloud cover there. This is what we said, the ascending, and then the everything, processing name, processing version, origin, and then the everything here. So you see all the properties of the image. Alright, so if you're ready to download the image here, you can see we have a download button here, which you can click on it and then download your image. Alright, okay, and then here too you can explore other images, which you find them if they actually cover your study area. So you can explore around your study area and then see actually where your image is. So you can download any of the image. So after downloading the image, this is the result that you are going to get. So let me show you a sample. Alright, so after downloading the image, this is the result that you are going to get. It will come in a zip format. So if you want to unzip it, you just have to click on it, and then you will see extract or you can right click and then go to extract all here, and then you extract it and then get it in a folder form like this, or you can just leave it in a zip form. If you want to upload it to your Snap to do the corrections, it will actually work for you. So this is the simplest way to download Sentinel-1 image from Copernicus. Alright, so thank you very much for your attention, and then please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you.